Okay, here's what you need to do to replace this missing moulding. Go to the other side of your 18th century mirror. Get that there, see? Get some clay, push it on. Now you've got a copy template. Get some 2-part wood filler, mix up that. Bob it in your new mould. Wait for 30 minutes. You can peel it off, look there. Pick it off with your fingernails, or you can just brush it off. I'm doing them all. Then, look, measure it out, nice and easy. Give it a rough cut. Mind your fingers. And then sand the back flat, because this is going to make it easy. I've got this old can, put it on an arch, and you're going to make an indentation in the back like a nice arch. That's going to fit snugly over the original mould of the mirror. Then you just get some more filler, wang in that, wait for 30 minutes. Take your time sanding, really nice, important. Then we're going to get this cheap gold spray it in a lid, coat it up with that brush, look. After that we get some shellac. The shellac's going to seal in the gold, add in a bit of body. Then all I'm doing is I'm getting some gold enamel, wanging in that for some quality. Then I've got some meths there and black powder colour, and I've got some dirty white wool, and I'm wanging in that. And then all I'm doing now is getting my English polisher wax, waxing it with my mum's favourite clothes brush, and hey presto, you've got an 18th century mould. Dog's happy. There's a before, there's an after.